Hello, Michelle here again. ACL surgery. I'm on, it'll be 3 weeks tomorrow. And I'm still walking with crutches because my leg can't get straight yet. Something's not right. I can't straighten my leg out. I could walk. I can walk. But because my leg isn't straight yet, it's not good to keep walking on it, so whatever. Anyway, I just want to focus today on teaching people how to walk up and down the stairs, because when I came back from my surgery, I'm like, oh no, I got stairs I got to deal with. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of harsh living in a house with stairs like the day after surgery or whatever. So I'm a pro at it. So this is how you go up the stairs. Can you make sure you back up? Okay, so this is my good leg. This bad one is my bad leg. So you, good leg up first. Then your crutches and your bad leg. You just go like this. The reason why I'm also doing this is because I saw this guy, he had ACL surgery and it freaked him out to go downstairs. So he'd slide on his butt to get down the stairs rather than use his crutches. This is much faster. So, bad leg crutches, bad leg crutches. Excellent workout for your leg. Now, on the way down is a technical part. That's where some of you slide down on your ass, which you don't need to. Okay, anyway, so what you do, this is the best way. You can just hunch down like this and put your crutch down first. But if you want to get circulation going and get a bit of exercise, you do a bit of a squat like this. And then put your, see, my body's staying straight. And this is a really good workout. Crutch down first. Your leg is, I could bend it, but your bad leg, the one with all the band-aids, is a bad leg, bent, or you're not even using it. So, crutches down, good leg down. This is waves in the air, like you just don't care. Squat down. Good leg. Or if you can put weight on this leg, your bad leg, you can go. You can actually just have it laying there. You can always put your crutches down first. You can have it just laying there. Crutches down, bad leg just hanging out. So you're basically not using this leg at all. Crutches down. You can use this for balance if you can put weight on it. I can put weight on it. So I go like this now. So that's how you go up and down the stairs. You don't need to throw your crutches down and slide down on your butt. It's not that technical. Anyway. Yeah, so like if you live in a house with stairs right after any kind of surgery, you better learn how to use your crutches, or you're going to be trapped on one floor, or crawl up and down the stairs like a crazy person. Anyway, so that's how you use crutches. And of course, for crutches, on regular use of crutches, you're not supposed to go like this. I know people think maybe it's fun or whatever, but you're supposed to have the crutches right here, digging in underneath, like sort of in your ribs or whatever, like this. And like I said, I got these. Like I have a video on wrapping a tea towel around your crutch thing, and then I put duct tape on around it. But even better is just to order these. They're called comfy crutches. And I ordered them on Amazon, and they came from Australia. They're $40. It's even better, more comfy. But if you can't afford it, just put a tea towel around it and duct tape on the sides. Okay, so, well, thanks for watching my channel. Sucks being on crutches, and but I'm just trying to make it a bit easier for you. See ya.